YouTube friends, it's me, Gracey. Happy Halloween. Hi friends, it's me, Roman. I'm giving a shout out to beautiful Davy and Kate. I met them at Monster Jam. And a big shout out to Brody with Boys Game Fun. Brody, thank you for watching our channel. Enjoy the video.
Here's Roman's Halloween candy.
Oh boy, here we go.
Hey kids, check out my Halloween costume.
Yeah, recycling can. Got the whole blue outfit with a blue lid, ready to go pick up some trick-or-treat candy.
Yeah.
We even got, let's turn it around, let's show them the recycling in the back. We tape recycling along the edges so it looks like a full recycle can. He's ready to go clean up the environment.
Hey YouTube friends! So the last couple years for Halloween, Roman of course has wanted to be a garbage truck. So last year he was actually
a garbage can.
Well, right, last year he was a garbage man. The year before that he was an actual garbage truck where we made him a costume and it was all out of cardboard and he wore it was a garbage truck. So this year we tried to come up with something a little bit more creative and we're shifting over to recycling. So we're going to try to make him into a recycling can, right?
Whoa, that sounds fun.
Yeah.
Okay, so we just went and got a regular garbage can.
Yeah.
And I had the thought we cut out the bottom. We had a friend of ours cut the bottom out. We put it over his head. Let's show everybody. Okay, this is the idea. So Roman's gonna be an actual, and he can walk okay, so he's gonna be an actual recycle can. So we're gonna try this out.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
Okay. Yeah, now we got some blue spray paint, because recycling cans are what color usually?
Blue.
Blue. So we're gonna
That's
do some spraying, and we're gonna just start with a little bit and see how it goes.
Yeah.
Let's paint.
All right.
Let's go.
Let's see. Let's paint.
Let's paint.
All right.
Hey.
Yeah.
Okay, can you guys stand back? Because I don't
Let's
want to
scoot
get
back.
any spray
We don't want paint on you.
Mommy forgot to put on her breathing mask.
Part. So now we've got the lid we're going to work on and we're going to spray paint that next.
And I ring a doorbell, I'll transform into a recycle can. Then jump out and go boom!
Oh boy. Looks good.
It looks pretty good. So this is the first step. So we did a good job, right? High five. Yeah. We are in the final step of Roman's recycle can Halloween costume. So I took a bike helmet. I am trying to affix it to the inside of the top of the garbage can.
Oh, so you're just taping it right inside the inside lid of the garbage can.
Yes, we got some double-sided tape, but that didn't work too good, so I am now using duct tape to try to just
Blue duct tape.
make it work.
And we got one of these blue man bodysuits. God bless you. So he'll be in a blue outfit with a blue recycle lid and a blue recycle can. Tape. We made straps out of blue duct tape, and
we ran out. So
then we ran out and we used gray duct tape on the inside. In the inside there, didn't we, Roman? And then we taped some recyclable materials around the edges to make it look like a full recycling container. And that's it. Happy Halloween.
Meow! Thanks for watching the Garbage Family Show. Be sure to click the red button to subscribe for more of our videos. Give us a thumbs up. Thank you.